Thanks for stopping by the Sister Cousins Lifestyle channel. My name is Sandy, and in today's video, we're going to be doing some decorating, but it's not going to be at my home. So in my parents' home, they have a little room that they call their den, and it's a place where they go lounge, watch TV, take little short naps, what have you. And they have this little love seat recliner that they've had for a little while now. Anyway, one side of it broke and was not able to go up anymore, which was a problem because they need to be able to recline and relax in that space. So in today's video, I have a surprise for them that we're going to be able to rectify that issue for them. So we're getting ready to head on over there and I'll share with you what's going on.
So here's what the room is looking like overall. Like I said, one side of this goes up, the other side doesn't, but the room just needs an overall refresh or kind of like a mini makeover in general, just to kind of refresh the space and give it new life. And in God's perfect timing, A-Living reached out to me and wanted to sponsor a portion of today's video and wanted to send out a recliner that would work out perfectly in their space. The sofa arrived in 3 large boxes and everything was labeled very, very nicely. It was wrapped really well as well. And so all we had to do was take the pieces out, get it assembled, and we were good to go. The setup process was not difficult at all. It took less than, I would say, 30 minutes to get everything set up once we got everything out of the boxes and organized in such a way that it could be assembled. The instructions were really clear and concise, so there was no problem there. So this is a small room and my parents have a lot of things in here. So my mind is already thinking in terms of how I'm going to organize or what I'm going to do in this space to kind of give it new life once everything is assembled. So as you can see here, the assembly process is underway. And like I said, it was really, really easy for them to put this thing together and get it all set up. And I can tell you now, it's just a beautiful, beautiful piece. The fabric is really nice. It's made out of this nice polyester fabric. It's got some side pockets there that'll be perfect for remote control storage. It is motorized, which is perfect for them. So they don't have to worry about, lifting it up manually. This is what it's looking like. It is absolutely beautiful. Now, you already know we couldn't keep her away, so she's coming in before we can do the makeover. Let's get her impression.
Oh, this is beautiful. It really is. And it's a full length.
Yeah, have a seat.
Oh, goodness. What does it do?
I don't know, sit down there. How does it feel?
It feels wonderful.
Comfortable?
Absolutely. Oh, it's still doing it.
It's still doing what? It lays all the way back.
You can actually sleep on it.
Oh.
Look at this.
Okay. You like it?
Yes, ma'am. I love it. So
as you can see, we have a happy camper. So let me tell you just a little bit more about this sofa. It is called the Aerostretch 3-seater power, and it's a zero wall recliner, meaning that it doesn't go back to the wall. It moves forward, so it doesn't take up a lot of space, which is a wonderful thing since we are dealing with a smaller space. And it has some really nice features on it. So it has the little drop down center here where they're able to put like their snacks there, and they can put their drinks in the cup holders. It also has a USB charger port right there on the side there where the control is, where they can plug in their phones. This is just perfect for them, and the size just worked out perfectly. So a special thanks to Allivinghome for sponsoring today's video. I will be putting a discount code in the description box, as well as the links to this particular sofa, and also so that you can see other products that they have for sale on their site. They also have this particular sofa in leather. It also comes in a 4-seater, but like I said, we selected the 3-seater and it is just perfect for their needs. Okay, so it's a new day now, and I'm back over here now. I'm refreshed and ready to go with this refresh of this space. I think I'm going to start off with this artwork here. This piece of art here is really kind of small, and so we want to do something a little bit larger. And I had a large canvas from my home that I'd done a DIY on some time ago, and I'm currently not using it, so I thought I'd give it a try over here and see how it looks. Now this is a really quick makeover here that I'm doing. So I'm trying to use the existing nails. I don't want to put any additional nails or anything like that, just in case they don't like it. they won't be committed to it or whatever. And we can always go back in and change this at a later date. And my mom has a lot of little random things laying around, like this address book. What you know about that? Yes, she still has an address book and they still have a landline. So I'm bringing in these pillows here. I have these pillows at my home as well. I love the color of them. And since it's so late in the summer, I thought, why not do this refresh with a fall theme in mind? So I thought that color would be really nice for an added pop of color in this space. This vase here, I really want to retire this vase, and I'm hoping that my mom will agree. I don't know how she's going to feel about any of these things that I'm removing. This old lamp here she's had for many years. I also want to retire that. But again, it's her choice. So I'm just doing it to show her a different look. And she may have me bring all this stuff back in here at the end of the day. I don't know, but we'll see. She always says that she wants to upgrade things. So we'll see how she really feels. So we're back at my house now, and I have this lamp here that I thrifted some time ago, and I thought it would be perfect in that space. It's clear, so I really like that, especially in a smaller room where there's lots of things going on. It's kind of nice to have something that's kind of, not adding to it. This is a lamp that I already had, so I'm just going to replace that in my home. Now we're back over her home, taking the old lamp away. We're going to try the clear lamp here and see how it looks. This table also is very small, but it had a lot of things just kind of on here. So we're going to kind of do a little bit of decluttering and moving things around here. So we're just going to keep this lamp here, and we're going to use a white lampshade on the recall. At my home, I have the red lampshade. I think the white would do better here. It's a little bit oversized for the lamp, but this is what we had. So we're just kind of using what we have to kind of create this makeover in this room. So we can always change that at a later date. My mom loves family pictures, and a couple years ago my son bought her that little frame there that actually displays digital photos. So I'm going to go ahead and hook that back up for her, and it just kind of rotates through the family photos, so she'll be able to enjoy the pictures while she sits in here. And she also has family photos up on the walls, as you will see, and we're just going to leave those. Now, over here in this corner, she had this small basket. She had some throws over here. So I brought a different basket over. I also bought this vase to replace the taller vase that she had. I wish that I'd had something larger to kind of give that look that she had going on, but just a little bit updated. But this is what I have for now. I'll keep my eyes open for something a little bit taller that will stand out more in this corner. But for right now, we're going to put that there with those eucalyptus stems. And then I'm going to put the larger basket here on the other side. I'm going to put her throws back over here. This basket is larger, so we can fit more things in this basket, but she likes to have a lot of throws. She likes to have a lot of pillows around, so we'll be able to kind of corral those in that larger basket. Now I'm going to put one of her throws right here on the sofa and then add this pillow here. Now I'm rushing to get this done because both my parents are here now. They're having breakfast. We just left church, and they're going to be in here after a while for their Sunday afternoon sit down and relax. So I'm moving kind of fast here because I want to have this done by the time they're ready to relax. So I'm just kind of moving things around, shuffling in them in a way that I think will be good. We're going to remove this old basket here. Again, I don't know what may be coming back. We'll see. I'm really excited about the way things are looking here. And I've got one last thing that I'm going to put in place. And it's these boxes. I had these decor boxes. I have a ton of these over at my house. So I brought these over here because these are really good for concealing things and kind of making it a little bit more, neat looking or whatever. So there's two of them. And I'm thinking I'm going to set them right over here. And I'm going to place, she's got a lot of nail polish and stuff like that because she likes to sit in here and do her nails. So I'm thinking this might be a good place or good thing for one of them. And then she's got some random remote controls like to her fireplace and things like that. And I think I'll put those in the other one. So yeah, I found this little faux eucalyptus here, and I thought it would be nice to add some extra greenery and put it just up there on that little shelf. It's like the perfect size, so we'll do that. So this is a picture here of my parents. This is a picture of my sister for her graduation. I'm not sure if that was from college or high school. Don't remember. The picture to the right was my son's graduation from high school. And I'm going to show a full-on picture. The one over there to the left is my picture when I got my master's degree. My son was graduating from high school, so we took pictures together. So that's what that is. But anyway, here's the nail polish. So we're going to go ahead and move that out of this little basket that she had. We're going to put it down in this little box here. Then we can close it up, and that way you don't see all of the, polishes and things like that. It just gives for a neater look or whatever, more corralled look. And so we'll see how that works out for her. Yeah, and then like I said, she does have some remotes for that are just sitting around, like one for this fireplace that's only used, a few times a year or whatever. And I think she has a remote to her fan or something like that. But anyway, they're remotes that she doesn't use on a daily basis. So we're going to go ahead and put those in the smaller box and just kind of sit them right there on top of the fireplace. It gets the things off the floor, which is where she had them. But anyway, she could not wait to come in here. She's had her breakfast now. She's changed her clothes and she's ready for her wind down. So here she comes. Now, I did tell her anything that she wants back in here, the way that she had it, let me know and I'll move it back. I was really afraid about that lamp, but she actually likes the new lamp here. So that's a good thing. She likes the new basket with her throws. I showed her where all of them are. You see the smile on her face. So she's happy here. She's holding a directory from her church back where she's from, and the church is like well over 100 years old. She grew up in that church. She went to school there, and she's probably going to make a call to somebody that she knows from there. Not sure why she had it, but she's looking all around and she's liking everything. It is truly a blessing when you have your parents with you, but it's really a blessing when you are able to do things for them to put smiles on their faces. So I am really thankful again to Allivinghome, who kind of spearheaded this whole change here by blessing us with this beautiful recliner. It's truly a blessing. That I mean, I cannot say that enough. So they are enjoying it immensely. Now here comes my dad making a rare appearance.
You like it? Come have a sit down.
Now, my dad is a man of few words, and he won't be sitting here long because he is a busy man. He will be up and out of here going to either swim or shoot pool or just spend time with some of his friends, just hanging out at his young age of 91. I hope that you have enjoyed today's video. Again, it's a little bit different from what I normally do, but that seems to be the norm now for me, is doing things different, right? If you're not new here, you know. But anyway, if you are new here, I hope that you've enjoyed today's video. I hope that you will go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That way we can stay connected, and hit the post notification bell as well. That way you can be notified each time I upload additional videos. To my returning family members, thank you so, so much for your support. My sister has come in now and she's seeing the room for the first time. But anyway, thank you all so much for your support. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you all over here on my next one. We'll be right here when you come back. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.